In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove view only in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet is currently set so that people can only view it and you want to give them more access, Google Sheets makes that pretty simple. The key thing to understand is that view only is just a permission setting, and you can change that by updating the sharing role for the sheet. To get started, open your Google Sheets. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where you want to change the access level. Once the file is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. This is where Google Sheets lets you control who can access the file and what they're allowed to do with it. When the sharing window appears, look for the General Access section. On the right-hand side of that area, you'll see a drop-down that may currently say Viewer. This is the setting that creates the view-only mode. Go ahead and click that drop-down to open the list of available roles. Under Role, you'll now be able to choose a different permission level. If you want people to be able to leave feedback without changing the spreadsheet itself, select Commenter. This is useful when you want collaboration but still want to protect the data and formatting from direct edits. If you want others to fully work inside the sheet, update cells, and make changes, choose Editor instead. That removes the view-only restriction and gives full editing access. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and make sure you're selecting the right role for your situation. Editor gives the most freedom, but it also means people can change formulas, values, and layout. Commenter is the safer option if you only need suggestions or discussion. Choosing the right permission helps you stay in control of your file while still sharing it effectively. After selecting the new role, click Done to save the change. Once you do that, the updated permission will take effect and the sheet will no longer be view only for the people included under that access setting, and that's it. By opening your sheet, going to Share, changing the viewer, drop down under General Access, selecting either Commenter or Editor, and then clicking Done, you can quickly remove view-only access in Google Sheets. If you're managing shared documents regularly, getting familiar with these access settings can save you time and help prevent permission issues later on.